Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Scroll. Scroll Mainnet launched last week, so now what? We are going to check exactly what you need to do for the Scroll Airdrop now that they launched the Mainnet. So we are going to do a quick review and then go step by step on everything that you can do to get this possible airdrop. We have been covering Scroll Airdrop since January of 2023, and today we are going to see exactly what you need to do to participate now that Scroll is in the Mainnet. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Scroll launched on Mainnet October 17, so last week was a very important moment for the Scroll ecosystem. They actually did a live celebration that you will be able to participate. I was there a little bit online, so it was great, a good moment for the ecosystem and the project. And now the question is, well, now what? Scroll is an AVM for Ethereum, a layer 2 solution. So now we have many more competitors on Mainnet besides Zksync, Polygon ZK AVM and many others like Arbitrum and Optimism that has been growing in the crypto space from a while already. So Scroll is a new competitor of them, and layer 2 solution right now is a very hot space to be in crypto, and specifically for airdrops. We have been collecting airdrops from Arbitrum, we have been collecting airdrops from Optimism already. So in my channel and in my private Discord, we are behind the layer 2 solutions because we have been getting a lot of airdrops from them. And we're still working on Zksync and many others. Now that Scroll is in Mainnet, we need to update our information on what we have been doing. So going to the step by step of this tutorial, remember step 1 is follow them on Twitter. You will need to get the information from the updates there, and of course you need to be in their Discord. So going into the website of scroll.io, here you can see that we are already in Mainnet. If you scroll down into the bottom, you will see the social media, so follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord. From here you have the GitHub repository if you want to check any code, but always use the official channels to connect. Scroll in Discord, they have 519k followers on Discord, many active people there, so they have a very big community, and this is one of the big projects with a lot of funding for layer 2 solution in the millions of dollars. So if you want to know more about that, you need to check my previous videos. That it will be the step 2 of this tutorial. I already have been covering Scroll since January of this year. Check this video to apply to the testnet that still is alive. Over the time, the testnet is going to be decrypted, so I recommend you to do and get these steps. And here you have a video on how to deploy a contract also on Scroll. This was from June. So check these 2 videos, try to do that first. So in case that Scroll has some criteria applying into the testnet, you will be covered. And you will not spend any money because that is testnet work. So you don't need to spend any real money. So check this link and check these 2 videos in order to be up to date with the Scroll testnet. After you do that, I put a link here. The step 3 is you need to check the Mainnet weekly updates from October 21st. There was developer guide for Mainnet, security measures, a possible 1 million bug bounty proposal, ecosystem updates. Everything is here in this tweet. So if you scroll here, you will see all the information and you can enter into each part to see the details of each thing. I think this is a very important tweet, so you know where we are standing right now with Scroll. But the ecosystem is going to be growing a lot now that we are in Mainnet. So step 3, check this link so you are up to date with the Mainnet. Step 4, we need to add Scroll into our Metamask. Now we have the Scroll Mainnet version. So to do that, we are going to use the official links. So go to scroll.io and you can go to the portal. That basically is going to send you here. And here you can see configure for Scroll Mainnet. And in layer 2, you can see Scroll. Click on add to Metamask. And this is going to pop up your Metamask. You can see down here it says I already have Scroll. But if not, it's going to pop up your Metamask with the information of the network. You need to accept that. And then you will be able and already having Scroll Mainnet into Metamask. So you can see now I have some Ethereum here. That will be the next step. Step 4, now that you have already Scroll on your Metamask, we need to bridge Ethereum into Scroll Mainnet. This can take you like 20 minutes, and right now at the moment of recording this video, it cost me $5, a little less than $5 to do the bridge from Ethereum Mainnet. My recommendation on airdrops is try to bridge at least 2 times, so do it once first, and after a couple of days or weeks you can send more funds into the Scroll Mainnet using the official bridge. So my recommendation, based on many airdrops that I have been participating, usually people only bridge 1 time. So if you bridge 2 or more times using the official bridge, you are in a lead position for this airdrop. And always try to use volume, so I recommend you 0.1 Ethereum, around $100 or a little more. So doing this, you go to the Scroll bridge. From the website, you can go here to bridge. You are going to see this. Here you need to connect your Ethereum mainnet. Here you put the amount of money that you want, and then you will be able to click here the deposit button that is going to send the money. After everything is success, you are going to see this. In this case, just for the purpose of the video, I sent 0.04 Ethereum into Scroll and took approximately 20 minutes. You can check your transaction and everything. After that time, don't worry, be patient. You will see that you have your Ethereum in your Scroll Mainnet network. So that was step 5. Now step 6 is that you need to start to use the protocols that are live in Mainnet. We did a lot of work and stuff following the testnets, but now is the real thing. You need to spend money on the ecosystem in order to generate transactions and be eligible for this possible airdrop. So here you have the link to the Scroll ecosystem. You will need to bridge, swap, enter liquidity pools, mint NFTs, deploy contracts, get domain services if you want. So there are many things that will help you to grow your transactions and your volume using the mainnet now. So for example, step 7, you can use a third-party bridge when you need from another network to Scroll, for example with Orbiter. You will be generating transactions that could help to a possible Orbiter airdrop 2 that is pending. I covered the Orbiter airdrop 2, so check in my website, search for Orbiter, you will find all the steps there on how to apply, but these transactions could also help you do that. So here you go to Orbiter Finance and you can send from Ethereum into Scroll, but in that case I would recommend you to use the official bridge. But in case that you have funds and you want to get more Ethereum into Scroll, you can use another networks that the fee is going to be lower. So you can send, for example, from Arbitrum to Scroll or many other layer 2 solutions, or even not layer 2s, from the ones that you can send money to Scroll. So after you did already 2 bridges from Ethereum Mainnet, you can start using third-party bridges to start moving funds from another networks that are not specifically Ethereum Mainnet. That will also help you to get different transactions and make it more real and not be targeted as a Sybil or blacklisted. If you don't know what Sybil means in the airdrop world, you need to check this video. The link is going to be also in the description. This is a video on how to never be blacklisted or considered Sybil. That means that your transactions look like human, and if you are farming airdrops with multiple wallets, Scroll is one of those airdrops that I will bet on farming. So this is a very important video for you. It's going to give you all the steps and all the points that you need to cover. These are 10 points that if you do exactly what I mentioned there, you are going to be fine and your wallets are going to be counted for the different airdrops that you apply. So check this video, how to never be Sybil on airdrops. It's very important if you are farming airdrops with multiple wallets. And of course, if you don't know what I am talking about, multiple wallets, also search for how to use multiple wallets. That is the best way to farm airdrops right now. And if all that is too much for you, then you need to subscribe to my private Discord and my private app. These are the best tools that you will find for airdrop hunters in the market. My private Discord is a select elite of people. I will not leave it open forever because I want to keep the quality of the information that we share. And right now there are many people that have been doing and farming airdrops for more than 1 year with great results. So you can join me on my private Discord to know everything. If you don't know anything about airdrops, you are going to be helped there We have specific channels to people that just is starting, or if you are already an experienced one, you will get a lot from my Discord. And also I have an application to make it easy for you. So check here how my application works. You have a subscription for both things if you want to be in my Discord and use my app. But my app is going to help you a lot applying to all my airdrops and also getting the progress that you have in each of the airdrops on an organized way. The big error that we have here as airdrop hunters is using Excel files that get impossible to manage. So using my app, you will have everything organized. And you can use another sources, not only my videos from airdrops. You can add your custom airdrops from another sources too. So my app is not going to restrict the use only in my ecosystem and in my app and with my videos. So check my link for the subscription, second link on the description. Now step 8, you can swap tokens, and one of the projects that is very growing a lot is Symbiosis. So for example, they already have the version of the application in Scroll Mainnet. So here is a link for the app of Symbiosis Finance. Once you are logging in here, you can transfer funds and you can swap from different networks to different networks. But it's going to help you also if you are connected here like me with Scroll Mainnet to swap tokens in the Scroll Mainnet and from different other networks. So Symbiosis has been growing a lot. So this is an app that is already working in Mainnet. So here on the ecosystem you can see that. If you see that says Mainnet here, means that you can get it. Here is Arbiter Finance, here is Symbiosis. So just click here the link for the website and go there and do swaps and use the protocol. Step 9 is that you have the scroll name service if you want to register a domain service. So this is the app of scroll names. So you just need to select here like is Scroll Mainnet, connect your wallet, and you can pay and get a scroll domain like you can see here. So you can search your domain and register it if you want. Nothing of this is mandatory. Remember, the important is that you use the protocol. If you don't want to register a name service, it's not mandatory. It's not proven that doing this is going to give you the airdrop. So registering domain names is not mandatory, remember that. But doing transactions, swaps, minting NFTs, the normal usage of the application and the different Dapps on Scroll is going to help you to do that. Step 10, in Innovate you can use the Scroll Mainnet to launch an NFT. So here is the link also. And you can of course search it here on the ecosystem tab. Many things on Mainnet, but if you keep scrolling down you will see that the Testnet still has a lot of things. So this is the ecosystem that you will use on the point 2 to use the Testnet. But for now the only one that I saw that is for the NFTs is Innovate. So here you can connect and you can use Scroll to create your collection and publish your NFTs. So here you can do that. That will be also a great idea if you want to get some NFTs on the Scroll Mainnet already. And finally, the point 11 is that this is the official guild of Scroll if you want to try it. So here is the link for the Scroll guild. This is to get more roles or important roles on the Discord. The Discord is important if you are doing airdrops. You need to be up to date with your main projects for airdrops. So join here with the guild, connect your wallet. Many things are related to events that are already passed, but maybe you can apply to any of these roles. So check which is your condition, if you apply or not to any of these roles. But this is the official link. Why I say that? If you go to the Scroll Discord in resources, here you can see the official links. And like you can see, for example, there is no CLI official link. So don't waste any time to secondary CLIs that are related to Scroll, because that is not going to help you to the airdrop most likely. So if they launch a CLI and they say something that could help to get the airdrop, maybe you will need to do more social tasks. But for now, the only official one here is the guild. So join here the Discord. Here you will see all the important information on community, announcement, ecosystem in general, crypto talk and more. And that will be all, guys. For now, these are all the steps that you need to do in order to keep this Scroll Mainnet airdrop alive. Remember, you don't need to use exactly the protocols that I mentioned. You can go to step 6, ecosystem, and find any protocol that is in Mainnet that you want. I recommend you also to enter liquidity pools, that kind of stuff. Leave it there, the money, for some time before you take it out. And again, this is still a speculation. We don't have confirmation for the Scroll airdrop, but of course the experience has been told us that the transactions on the mainnet are really important, but we still don't have any date on when they will launch a token. When we get that information, it's going to be probably an important point to keep the speculation of an airdrop. That will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, because in Twitter I post things from airdrops that I'm doing live. So for example, if I am applying to a swap, I will be posting and commenting stuff about that you will want to do if you are doing that airdrop too. So go into CryptoState, my Twitter account, follow me at Twitter. I know that many of you see my videos but are not follow me in Twitter, so go there. It's a good source to keep track of all my movements on my airdrops, besides videos and news that I post there. So CryptoState, my Twitter. That will be all for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.